In this video, we take you inside the Setra factory in Germany to witness the birth of a luxury coach.
Nestled in Neu-Ulm, Germany, precision engineering meets ultimate comfort. Dating back to 1893, a legacy of innovation that defines the modern road. The backbone of the coach is a robust chassis designed to handle immense weight. Independent suspension systems are fitted to ensure a smooth ride for passengers. The heart of the beast, a powerful Euro 6 compliant engine, is installed. Critical systems for fuel and air braking are integrated into the undercarriage. With the rolling chassis complete, the body construction begins. Precision robots weld the tubular steel skeleton, creating a rigid safety cell.
The skeleton grows rapidly, defining the distinct Setra profile.
Critical joints are hand-finished by master welders for ultimate integrity.
From above, the complex lattice work ensures passenger safety in a rollover. The sheer scale of the structure requires a facility with enormous vertical clearance.
Aerodynamic roof arches are added to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency.
Every millimeter is measured to ensure perfect alignment before paneling. The naked steel frame is now ready for its protective skin.
The frame undergoes a cathodic dip painting process for comprehensive corrosion protection. This electrodeposition ensures every crevice is sealed against moisture. High-temperature ovens bake the coating to a hardened finish. Surfaces are smoothed meticulously to prepare for the outer skin.
Precision-cut aluminum side panels are lowered onto the skeleton. Advanced bonding techniques secure the panels while reducing weight. The iconic Setra front mask is fitted, housing the advanced LED lighting system. At the rear, the engine cover and signature lighting are integrated. Roof panels are sealed and fitted to provide a weather-tight cabin. With the body assembly complete, the coach is ready for color.
Highly detailed masking protects sensitive areas during the paint process.
Automated sprayers apply the base coat with perfect consistency. Intense heat cures the paint, bonding it to the metal surface. Quality control specialists inspect the finish under polarized light. Final polishing brings out the mirror-like gloss of the Setra finish.
Custom coach lines and decals are applied for a personalized touch.
The exterior is finished. Now, we focus on the interior luxury.
Layers of soundproofing are installed to ensure a quiet cabin. Pre-wired sidewall modules are hoisted into place, speeding up assembly. Electrical systems are connected seamlessly through modular interfaces. Luxury passenger seats are brought in for installation.
Seats are anchored securely to the chassis, prioritizing safety.
Each seat features premium leather and ergonomic controls.
Ambient LED lighting strips are installed to create a mood. The driver's workstation is equipped with state-of-the-art digital displays.
Ergonomics are paramount for the driver on long-haul journeys.
The passenger entry doors are fitted with sensitive safety sensors. Individual entertainment screens are connected to the main network. The interior transformation is nearly complete. Essential fluids are filled to prepare the engine for startup. High-power batteries are connected to supply electricity to the coach.
Stylish wheel covers are fitted to the multi-axle setup. The coach touches the ground on its own air suspension for the first time.
The braking system is tested for immediate response.
The coach enters a water tunnel to test for any leaks.
Laser alignment systems verify the precise geometry of the axles.
The coach moves to the test track for real-world driving dynamics. Cornering stability is tested, showcasing the active suspension. Hill start capabilities ensure performance on steep gradients.
A final quality control manager signs off on the build.
A final wash and detail prepares the coach for handover. Customer-specific branding is applied to the exterior.
The masterpiece is complete, ready to grace the roads. The Setra luxury coach departs the factory in Neu-Ulm.
It hits the open road, a symbol of German engineering excellence. Inside, the ride is whisper quiet and incredibly smooth. The driver enjoys total control and comfort. The coach handles winding roads with unexpected agility. The panoramic windows offer passengers an immersive view. By night, the coach becomes a glowing lounge on wheels.
Advanced destination displays inform passengers at every stop.
The tag axle lift system reduces tire wear on city streets.
Arriving at the destination, the coach makes a statement.
Passengers disembark refreshed, a testament to the comfort.
Every detail, from the logo to the lights, speaks of quality. The silhouette is unmistakably Setra, long, low, and elegant.
Even from behind, the design exudes power and stability.
A brand that has stood for quality for over a century. Engineered not just for power, but for environmental responsibility.
Luxury materials like fine wood elevate the interior atmosphere.
Controls are designed for ease of use and accessibility.
From the factory to the heart of the city.
The transformation from raw steel to rolling luxury is complete. A testament to the skilled workforce at Neu-Ulm. Home of the world's finest coaches.
Hundreds of coaches await delivery to customers worldwide.
Beauty in engineering. Beauty in design. Hand-stitched details that define true luxury.
Pride in every bus that leaves the line.
The journey continues. The Setra Luxury Coach.